Gudipadwa, the beginning of the Hindu New Year, and Navratri, celebration of devotion and divine energy dedicated to Goddess Durga. I can't think of better way to celebrate this triple joy than visiting the beautiful Iskon temple. Hello and namaste everyone. Today is a special day because it's my birthday, so I have come to the Iskon temple. Not even a special day, it's an extra special day because it's even a Gudipadwa today. Happy Gudipadwa to everyone, to all the Maharashtrian friends out there. Not only the Gudipadwa, it's also the Navratri. Happy Navratri to everyone. Okay, so let's see how the special day is celebrated today. Look at how beautiful the temple looks today. There is such a peaceful and festive energy here. So guys, I am now going to have the prasadi right now. So let's see. One of the most beautiful sights here at the Iskon temple is this. Everyone is standing in line for prasadam. It's not just about the food. It's about the shared sense of devotion, equality and gratitude. No matter who you are and where you are from, we all stand together, united by faith and the belief in receiving the divine blessings of prasadam. Watching this reminds me that life's greatest joys are found in simplicity and togetherness. The garden here is a perfect spot to enjoy prasadam. Surrounded by nature, the calmness of space adds an extra layer of tranquility to the experience. So guys, we have got the prasadi out here. Now we are going to have the prasadi here. Hello. Sitting under the shade of trees, you can feel the divine energy of temple blending with the beauty of the outdoors. I have this small garden and we are having prasadi here. Hare Krishna. So guys, I have finished my prasadi. It's a really delicious prasadi out here. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, bhai.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. So guys, I have done with the prasadis and everything. Now I am going to Aarti temple. Standing at the threshold of the main temple, I feel a surge of calmness, ready to step inside and connect with the spiritual energy that draws so many here. So guys, now we're entering into the main temple. From here. Inside the main temple, there's a profound sense of calm. Devotees sit together in quiet prayer, some with their eyes closed in deep meditation, others softly chanting the name of the divine. It's a beautiful sight. People from all the walks of the life gathered here, united in devotion and peace. Hare Krishna, bhai. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Happy Gudipadwa.
Happy Gudipadwa. Yes.
Happy Navratri also.
Yes.
Happy Eid also.
Happy.
Today is a special day.
Everyone happy. Happy Navratri.
Yeah. And it's birthday also, right?
Yes. Oh, happy birthday.
Happy.
मैंने तो wish किया. Happy birthday, bro.
So guys, this is a small garden behind the Iskon temple. Have Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. The beautiful scene out from here. So every devotee is now waiting for the Aarti to happen here. The air feels alive with faith, and there's a collective energy that makes you feel a part of something much bigger than yourself. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, Nitesh ji. Jai Shri Krishna. So guys, everyone is now settling down to have the Aarti Puja here. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna. The sacred act of distributing fruits as prasadam begins. The fruits, first offered to Lord Krishna, are now shared with the devotees, each piece carrying divine blessing. Jai Shri Krishna. It's a beautiful gesture of love and grace, reminding us that everything we receive is a gift from the divine. Hello. Guys, we have got prasadi out here. Jai Shri Krishna. The moment we all have been waiting for, the chanting and music begin. The entire atmosphere transforms into something truly magical. You can see the devotion in every face, hear it in every voice, and feel the beats of the music that seem to sync perfectly with your heartbeat. You can see the devotion in every face, hear it in every voice, and feel the beats of the music that seem to sync perfectly with your heartbeat. This is the essence of the Iskon temple, where music, faith, and unity come together to create a spiritual symphony. It's a moment I will carry with me forever, a reminder of power of collective devotion.
बहुत मजा आया भगवान के चरणों में आके, आशीर्वाद मिल गया है।
Yes. This isn't just a moment of celebration, it's a moment of connection. Connection to the divine, to each other, and their own inner joy.
आज जन्मदिन पर आप इस्कॉन मंदिर है, आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत अच्छा लगा। बहुत तुमके साथ पूजा मस्त था भाई, एकदम मजा आ गया। So guys, this was the end of our puja. So guys, we really had a great experience at this ISKCON temple. It was really a awesome day today. It was really a divine experience at the ISKCON temple. So if you all like the video, please like, share and subscribe. The day was really great because we had, it was my birthday, and also we had Marathi festival, Gudipadwa. Also we had a Navratri, happy Navratri to everyone. Also it's not my birthday, and also we had a Eid today. So Jai Shri Krishna guys.
जय श्री कृष्ण, लाइक शेयर
So guys, like, share and subscribe if you like my video.